Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to Taiwan Smart Manufacturing 2019.
Taiwan is one of the major supplier of machine tool in Indonesian market.
I do hope that the 83, 86 companies from Taiwan participating in this exhibition, especially signified by this pavilion organized by Tetra, would serve as a very useful tool to further enhance the relations between Taiwan and Indonesia.
Our major product we promote in this exhibition is like a smart conveyor system and the AI technology. They can use vision inspection to read the data to check the product broken or not broken.
This year, we present GUI interface which we designed for the customers. GUI means graphical user interface that the customer can easily programming and setting up all the grinding for solutions.
This model is the GLA, including the automation loading and unloading this function. I hope join this exhibition get the new customer and support our new model in Indonesia this market.
Our product is like this, is drilling machine, and it uses the milling machine, and we can find a lot of our target clients.
Dengan pameran ini saya berharap kita dapat memberikan solusi untuk customer terhadap apa yang menjadi masalah mereka selama ini.
We are making for hydraulic cylinder for the piston rod and also the home tube. This is our fundamental component for hydraulic cylinder. And to us, the Indonesia is actually just like our second home because our first overseas order is from the Indonesia.
Terima kasih kami sampaikan kepada PT Taitra yang telah mengundang kami SMK Strada dan sungguh ini membantu kami untuk pengembangan pembelajaran siswa kami untuk kedepannya.
Taiwan Smart Manufacturing,
Your intelligence partner.
We want to introduce Bodico Machining Center and Harilangko Machining Center, Bodico Turning Desk, Harilangko Turning Desk to Indonesia market. We think our products is very suitable for Indonesia market.
Our Scara robot is a 4-axis robot that mainly can be used for pick and place. In this example, you can see here for arranging, for packaging, and definitely high accuracy as compared to manual labor. So that our brand awareness is bigger and we can capture a bigger market share in the local industry.
We believe our technology could improve our Indonesia customer. So in our goal and expected, we could provide those technology to looking for our reliable partner in Indonesia.
Taiwan Smart Manufacturing, your intelligent partner.